So now with this little piece here, what we do is match the pattern under here and it will follow back up and around the front of the window. So we match our pattern under here, put the paper in place. Now you could be working with a much bigger piece of paper, a wraparound. This just happens to be a small piece, but it's all the same technique, same principle. Sorry, that's the wrong way around. Let's put that back up the right way around. It's another good little tip, always hang your wallpaper the right way up. Okay, so your paper's in place. You want a wraparound above of about 1/2 inch. So I'll make a little pencil line there, push that into the corner. I'll give myself a little guideline with a pencil line, what I need to cut away. So if you can just bear with me, I'll cut this away. Pattern back up, paper back up into the corner. I'll cut that up on the wall just to make it easier to see. A little bit fiddly with this small bit of paper, but that's how it is. The paper dictates to you. So I'll make those cuts, take off the excess. Okay, so what we do now is I've made that vertical cut so I can lift this flap up. I'll just put a little bit more paste underneath just to help us. I'll just take that paper up and wrap it in, and this paper drops on top. Now, that wraparound, there is two thicknesses of paper there. You can't avoid it. This is the way to do it. Normally there's a curtain rail, there's blinds, there's a pole, whatever it might be in the way, and you don't see, and also this paper's very thin, so you don't see two thicknesses of paper. I can't see underneath there. With a thicker paper, you might see the fact there are 2 layers of paper, and what you can do is make a splice cut here through both pieces of paper, take away the excess, so you've got a perfectly smooth finish. With this cheaper, thinner paper, I don't need to do that. But that's the principle of putting in paper under the reveal, tucking it in the piece above.